Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video you guys are gonna see my current favorite lipsticks. I'm not gonna say favorite lipsticks, it's just that I'm currently obsessed with them and I want to share it with you all because they are amazing shades. I mean, you guys should try it out, definitely. So before proceeding with today's video, tell me, how did you like my eye makeup? Comment down. And the reason why I am so happy is because it's October. Yes, my birthday month. You guys are gonna see so many videos this month. Oh my god, I'm gonna make my birthday special for myself. It's kind of an obsession. I'm really excited about my birthday. So let's begin with the video, guys, without any further chit chat. Okay, so my first lipstick is Nykaa So Matte lipstick. प्रिंट तो निकल गया है, मतलब बहुत ही पुराना लिपस्टिक है guys, and it is in the shade Coffee Mousse. The shade number is 27M. You can see it's such a pretty brown color. Coffee Mousse, the name itself says that it's brown in color, but it's not a brown that is really dark or really light. It's like the perfect brown nude color. And that's why I love this lipstick, and the price of this lipstick is 399 rupees. Yes, it's affordable guys, because if you want a nice lipstick you have to invest in it. So you have to invest for branded products in makeup because you don't want to harm your skin in any way. So let's move on to the next lipstick. It is a Lakme Absolute 3D lipstick. Yes, it is in the shade Maroon Magic. I love this shade so much. I prefer such maroon shades because they look so pretty than the bright shades. Yeah, for me. So I like this lipstick a lot. And the price of this lipstick is 800 rupees. Yes, you can get it on Nykaa whenever there's a sale. You might get it for 600 rupees. Right now when I checked it out, it was for 600 rupees. So like that, you can purchase lipsticks when it's on sale. So yes, do invest in good lipsticks. And moving on to our third lipstick, we have the Maybelline New York Color Sensation Creamy Matte Lipsticks. Haha, such a big name. I actually own 4 shades in this lipstick range, but I'm gonna show you guys only 3 of them because the 4th one is a bright orange color. It is some coral shade, yeah, and I don't know why did I buy that lipstick because I don't remember. I think because I was in my neon phase at that time, I bought the orange lipstick, but no, you can't casually wear that orange lipstick. It just looks somewhat weird. Yes. So I'm going to show you the rest of the 3 that I have. So the first shade that I have in this range is the shade number 696 Burgundy Blush. Yes, it is a dark brown color. Basically it's not a completely burgundy color because you can see it's dark brown. After you apply it, it starts fading into a burgundy color, I can say. And it is a really nice lipstick. Again, when you want to go with dark colors, you can go with this shade. Yes, you can go with the maroon shade that I showed you before, or you can go with such dark brown colors. They also look amazing when you apply it. So the price of these lipsticks are just 299 rupees, so they are totally affordable. All the shades in this range are 299 rupees. So moving on to our next shade in the same range, Mesmerizing Magenta in the shade 680. It's a bright pink color. Obviously you should own a bright pink lipstick because they are the basics, a bright red and a bright pink lipstick. But you can see this is not that bright, but this is a really nice level of bright for me because I don't like lipsticks that are really bright. This is a dark pink shade, like a fuchsia pink shade. I like this shade. It just gives me a Barbie vibe, so I love this shade a lot. And moving on to our third shade from this range, I think I've mentioned this lipstick a lot of times. My friend gifted me this. I told you in my What's in My Bag challenge. which I had did in another video. I don't know which video. The one in which I went to the mall after 6 months. Yes, in that video I have added a segment of what's in my bag, and in that I have showed you this lipstick. You can go check that video out if you haven't yet. It's here. It is in the shade Touch of Spice in the shade number 660. You guys know that nude lipstick are so in trend nowadays, and they are also pricey compared to the regular bright lipsticks nowadays. So you guys can invest in this one. It is this amazing pinkish nude color, and I just love this lipstick a lot. And it's again for just 299 rupees. The whole Maybelline range lipsticks that I showed you, all the three are just for 299 rupees. So you can invest in these lipsticks, guys. Moving on to our next lipstick, we have the Sugar Mademoiselle Crayon Lipstick. Yes, it's my favorite lipstick, I guess. Not shade wise. The shade is also pretty nice, but I like the texture of this lipstick a lot because it's a matte crayon lipstick, and I was wearing this in my previous video. You guys can go check it out if you haven't. And it's in the shade number 12, and the shade's name is Baby House Man. Cute. And this shade is, you can see, it's such a dark pink, like a plum pink basically. Yes, it's a really nice shade. I love this lipstick a lot. And I personally love super matte lipsticks because they don't easily stick to your masks if you're wearing one, and they just don't smudge easily. It's a really nice lipstick. You guys should give it a try. You guys can prefer your favorite shade and buy one, but do try a matte lipstick. It's gonna be worth it, definitely. And the price of this lipstick is 799 rupees, and I just love this lipstick. You're gonna hear it a lot in this video because these are all my favorite lipsticks currently, so sorry for that. So the next lipstick that we have is a Masaba lipstick from Nykaa. Yes, you can see it's so pretty, and the packaging is just so aesthetic. Love this lipstick for its packaging and also its shade because it's a pretty pink nude shade again. It's in the shade Buzzkill. Yes, it's really good, and you can see the shade. It is so pretty, and this inner gold thing, it makes me feel like it's a luxury lipstick, you know, because all the other lipsticks have a silver inner and this is a gold one, and it just gives such a luxury vibe to this lipstick. So I really like it. And you can see this lipstick again goes with all your casual outfits because it's again a pretty pink nude shade. So the next lipstick that we have is the Nykaa mini lipstick. It's so cute. Such a small lipstick. You can just put it in your pocket and go anywhere. You don't even need to carry a bag. It's so cute and tiny, and it's in the shade Wicked Wine, whatever. It's a really pretty shade, as you can see, a really pretty wine color, and it is a nice lipstick. It doesn't look this dark when you apply it, but it's quite good, and it does not fade away for like 1 or 2 hours, so it's really manageable. And the price of this lipstick is 199 rupees. Yes, just 199 rupees, and I guess it's the cheapest one among all the others that I showed you. So you can definitely invest in this lipstick. You can get some nude shades also in Nykaa mini lipsticks, so go check that out too if you haven't yet. The next lipstick that we just have 2 more left, so thanks for bearing with me till now. If you guys are watching this video, I love you. So moving on to our next lipstick, we have a Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade 06 Diana. It's a really pretty shade. You can see the shade itself from the outer cover. It's really pretty, and the packaging is so cute. I loved it. It's again a pink and brown nude shade. It's not completely pinkish, it's not completely brownish, but it's a really nice balance. And the price of this lipstick is 599 rupees, and if you guys want a perfect nude shade in your collection, do go for this shade, guys. It's really amazing. And moving on to our last lipstick that again you guys might have seen in my video. Yes, it's a Huda Beauty lipstick. What's the complete name of this? Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick. Yes, I'm not a big fan of liquid matte lipsticks, but Huda Beauty के लिए कुछ भी बनता है यार. And this is in the shade Icon. it's a really pretty shade, guys. After you apply this, it does not smudge away for like at least 4 to 6 hours. It's really nice lipstick, and the price of this lipstick is 1825. Yes, it's Huda Beauty. Obviously it's pricey, but yes, you can invest in it if you really want to. Unnecessarily just don't invest in it. I have showed you a lot of other nude shades. If you guys like any of those nude shades, you can definitely invest in those ones first, and slowly you can just upgrade your lipsticks. So yes, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, guys. And if it helped you to find your perfect nude shade that you were searching for like 4 to 5 months, basically I was searching for them like a lot on Nykaa. Like I wanted a really good shade so that I can suggest you all a really good shade. So don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Also comment down below what other kinds of videos you guys would like to see on my channel. Also don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Meet you all soon with another amazing video super soon, guys. Till then, bye bye.